Hello, in this video I'm going to show a new game I'm developing with the working title of Animal Hunt. For this game I'm using my previous game, Bot Fight Hero, to start out with, and I'm adding these animals that you're going to be able to hunt. So far I have the deer, the pig, and a wolf, and I'll show you what I have working so far. The pig and the deer, they just walk around and I can shoot them, but they don't die yet. And the wolf, he can rest and sleep, and he can also attack me, and I can shoot him and he'll react to me shooting him, and he can also die. There he's resting, and now he's sleeping. Now he's resting. Now he's getting up. Now the pig is blocking him. Move away, pig. There, now he's attacking me. So there he's dead. So that's all I have done so far.